Hey everyone, welcome back to the Riffsphere channel. As you delve deeper into using Unraid, you'll find yourself setting up various scheduled tasks. However, many additional tasks lack specific timing controls and adhere to Unraid's default schedules. That's where the Schedules add-on steps in. To begin, head to the Apps tab, search for Schedules, and install it. Once installed, navigate to Settings and select Scheduler. Here, you can fine-tune the timing specifics for tasks scheduled on an hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly basis. It provides insights into which tasks are affected by your adjustments. Remember to hit Apply after making changes. With the Schedules add-on, you gain greater control over scheduling your tasks. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.